Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review and dissect the latest gadgets in electronics. Today, we have something special for all you aspiring videographers out there. If you're looking for the best beginner camcorder on the market, you're in the right place. We're talking about the Panasonic Full HD Video Camera Camcorder HCV785K. This camcorder is packed with features that will help you capture stunning videos, whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your gear. Let's start by taking a closer look at the design and build of the Panasonic HCV785K. It comes in a sleek black color, which not only looks professional but is also easy to handle. The camera body is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for shooting on the go. With its 20x optical zoom, you can get up close and personal with your subjects without compromising on image quality. What sets this camcorder apart is its high-sensitivity 1/2.3-inch BSI sensor. Now, that might sound technical, but what it means is that you can capture bright and beautiful shots even in dim lighting conditions. This sensor has larger pixels than the standard, which results in reduced noise when shooting in low light. Whether you're indoors or out at night, this camcorder has you covered. Another standout feature is the level shot function. It detects and corrects tilting in your captured images, ensuring your videos are stable and free from blurriness. From wide-angle shots to powerful zooms, you'll get crisp and clear images every time. The Panasonic HCV785K also boasts an HDR movie function, which combines two images taken with different exposure times to suppress blown highlights and blocked shadows. The result? Crisp, clear videos with detailed highlights and shadows, even in challenging lighting conditions. Now, here's something cool, the wireless twin camera feature. You can use your smartphone as a sub-camera with Wi-Fi operation, allowing you to shoot from two angles simultaneously. It's like having your own multi-camera setup right in your pocket. Now, let's talk about price. The Panasonic HCV785K offers all these fantastic features at a competitive price point, making it an excellent choice for beginners and budget-conscious videographers. Plus, it's available on Amazon right now, so you can check it out for yourself. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best beginner camcorder that delivers exceptional video quality, even in challenging lighting conditions, the Panasonic Full HD Video Camera Camcorder HCV785K is the way to go. With its compact design, powerful zoom, and innovative features like wireless twin camera, this camcorder is perfect for capturing your precious moments. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews and tech insights. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.